Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're going to cover population household estimates from this website here. So we've got data back to March 2011 to March 21. So it's a 2011 census and a 2021 census, basically. 53,000 rows. You can see which data sets are still getting new data. If it's got discontinued, then it's probably just because it was only 2011 data. So I'm just going to query these four as they're still live. Census data by local authorities, counties and districts. So you can see the sort of data there. And these are the metrics. I'll just scroll down so you can pause and have a read if you want. And you'll notice there's a note column there. You'd use this table here to see what those notes mean. And then there's census data by local authorities Wales. And there's the metrics. Scroll down there. That's that. And again, another note column. And then you've got the notes, what they mean here. That's that. Thanks.